How to merge two dictionaries with same key names. I am new to Python and I'm trying to write a function that will merge two dictionary objects in Python. For instance, I need to produce a new merged dictionary. Function should also take a parameter, conflict, set to true or false. When conflict is set to false, above is fine. When conflict is set to true, code will merge the dictionary like this instead. I am trying to append the two dictionaries, but not sure how to do it the right way.
If you want a merged copy that does not alter the original dics and watches for name conflicts, you might want to try this solution. The program displays the following representation for the two merged dictionaries.
I think you want this.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.